This is a variety of Phlox paniculata called Grape Lollipop. Phlox paniculata, if you didn't know, is a native plant for us here in Tennessee. Has lots of benefits for native wildlife as far as pollinators go. I love this plant in the landscape for this vibrant, bold pop of color. This plant is a perennial, so it's going to come back in the garden for you year after year. It is considered a mid to late summer bloomer, and it's going to put on a really beautiful floral display for about 4 weeks of the growing season. As far as growing conditions, phlox, once established, can tolerate droughty conditions. It's a tough plant. We're not going to have to baby this. It doesn't have many serious insect or disease issues. Another cool thing that I like about this cultivar is that you can tell it has more of a compact habit. You can see that this one's doing a really great job holding up these blooms. We had lots of rain this summer, so they've been tried and tested and are holding those heads up straight. So again, if you need a reliable perennial plant for a sunny spot in your garden, check out Phlox paniculata. This particular one is Grape Lollipop.